Hello everyone, welcome to Suman's Academy. Today we are going to learn articles a and the. There are 26 letters in our English alphabet. Among them 21 are consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have 21 consonants in our English alphabet and 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. A is used before consonants. If the word sounds consonant, then we have to use a. If the word is beginning with letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, then you have to use consonant A. So we will have some examples. A ball. Here ball sounds consonant B. So we have to use a ball. A cat. The sound C is consonant. So you have to use a cat. A doll. Here D sounds consonant. So we have to use a doll. An is used before vowels. If the word has the sound of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, you have to use an. If the word beginning letter is A, E, I, O, U, then you have to use an. An apple. Here apple has vowel sound A. So we have to use an. An elephant. Elephant has vowel sound E. So we have to use an. An ice cream. Ice cream has vowel sound I. So an ice cream. An owl. Owl has vowel sound O. So we have to use an. An umbrella. Umbrella has vowel sound U. So we have to use an. So always remember, if the word is having consonant sound, you have to use a. And if the word has vowel sound, we have to use an. Now let us test our mind. Here you have to use a or an. Always remember, a is used for consonant and an is used for vowels. So D sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is a. Next question, rabbit. R sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? And the time goes. So the right answer is a rabbit. Next one is orange. O sounds vowel. So what is the right answer? And the answer is an orange. Next, lamp. L sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is a lamp. Next question, balloon. B sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is a balloon. Egg sounds vowel E. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is an. Flower. F sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is A. Unicorn use sounds vowel. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is an unicorn. Computer C sounds consonant. So what is the right answer? 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is A. The article the is used before a noun which is talked about second time, that is about a particular thing. If you are talking about a particular thing second time, then you have to use article the. Look at these examples. This is a sofa because sofa S sounds consonant. So we are using a sofa. The sofa is very soft. Again, we are telling about particular sofa and we are repeating sofa second time. So we have to use the. The sofa is very soft. Always remember, if we are talking about a particular thing second time, then we have to use article the. Now we have to use a and the. Always remember, a is used before consonant, an is used before vowels, and the is used if you are talking about particular person or thing second time. So the question is, dash old woman was sitting on dash cot and knitting dash sweater. There was dash glass full of water near her. So one by one we will see. Dash old woman. Old. O sounds vowel. So what will be the right answer? An old woman was sitting on dash cot. C sounds consonant. So a cot. And knitting dash sweater. Sweater S sounds consonant. So we have to use O. There was dash glass full of water near her. Glass G sounds consonant. So we have to use O. So an old woman was sitting on a cot and knitting a sweater. There was a glass full of water near her. O sounds vowel. So you have to use an. Cot C sounds consonant. So you have to use O. Sweater S sounds consonant. So you have to use O. Glass G sounds consonant. So you have to use O. Now we will have second part of the same question. So let us see. All of a sudden, dash woman became aware of dash insect buzzing around her. Dash woman became angry. Now, in the previous one, we saw woman was there, an old woman, and then again woman is repeated second time. We are talking about particular person second time. So, we have to use the. The woman became aware of dash insect. Insect was not there in the previous one. So we have to use I sounds vowel and insect buzzing around her. Dash woman. Again woman is repeated second time. So you have to use the woman became angry. So what is the answer? All of a sudden, the woman became aware of an insect buzzing around her. The woman became angry. So, if the word is repeated second time, you have to use the. The is also used to introduce plural nouns. Plural means more than one. The books, the apples, the dolls. Let us revise. A is used before consonant. Always remember, if the word has consonant sound, then we have to use a. An is used before vowels. If the word has vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. If the word has vowel sound, you have to use an. The is used before a noun which is used second time. If the word is used second time and we are talking about particular person or thing, then we have to use the, the. That's it for today, student. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to learn English grammar from Suman's Academy.